In this video, we'll be creating the outer ring of barrel. This is the ring we are going to design. It's a simple component. For dimensions, we have attached the drawing files. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now, let's start designing. Take the new design file. Make sure your dimensions are in mm. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take line tool. Make it construction. From here to origin, draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line. Okay. Change construction line. Now we will start drawing from here. Okay. To this horizontal line. Okay. In create, take 3-point arc. From this to this, connecting, draw an arc. We'll give horizontal constraint. Okay. Now symmetric constraint. This line, and center line. Now we can give dimensions. The radius will give as 3. You also need to give the vertical constraint. Okay. Take dimension and this length will give us 7. Okay, and from here to this diameter dimension, let's give us 42. Okay, here also select this line, right click and take diameter dimension. This 38. Okay, you also need to give this dimension, it is 17. Okay, now we can revolve it. Invoke revolve feature. Profile is already selected. Axis will select this line. Okay, so we have created the barrel outer ring. It's a simple feature. Now for definition, we will give chamfer, select chamfer and select all these corners. And give chamfer of distance 0.5. Okay, so this is the barrel outer ring. We have successfully designed outer ring. In next videos, we'll create another components.